This is the system that helped me get started. This is the exact system that helped my community make over 100 plus crores. And this system then generated us 3,800 video testimonials and 100 plus case studies on YouTube. And now I want to hand over this system to you. Now, before I give you the system away, I need to explain you certain things. Number one, this is something that you start with, not scale with. Later parts of this exact system can be used to scale once you have reached a particular point. As per market conditions, as they change, you need to tweak this whole system as per your need as well. Don't use your brain and use the system as it is, because I know what you will do. You'll look at the system and be like, oh, let me tweak here, let me tweak here. No, the system would fail. It just works perfectly as it is. And please don't be like, oh, this will not work for me. That is the all excuses. Unless and unless you haven't applied the whole system, do not talk to me on, oh, this would not work in my business, blah, blah, blah. Just apply it and see the magic yourself. Because I'll tell you a simple fact, your yearly revenue is sitting in one room. The stage clip that you will see, your revenue, whatever you do, is sitting in that room. Actually more than that, because there are 250 people sitting who have paid more than ₹1,00,000 to sit in that room. And that's just one batch. We used to have this batch every 2 months. The best way to complete this video is to do nothing but just take the pinup of the whole Godfather system, take a printout or open in a separate tab and then complete the whole video. Because that way you can mark things and complete it further. And while you go through the whole system, you'll have multiple questions coming up. Treat the comment section as your note-taking section or a question section, because I'll reply in your comments, your questions, whatever you have. So treat the comment section as a note section and write everything that you have in your mind over there.
क्योंकि ये तुम्हें 1 करोड़ कमा के देगा। अभी देखो कितने खुश होगा ना। हाँ, तो उसको प्यार करो क्योंकि यही तुम्हें 1 करोड़ कमा के देगा। Now what I'll do is I'll load Godfather system over here and we are going to understand why it is the most important thing, why you need to stick to it, and इसको कैसे use करना है step by step. A lot of people mainly have questions regarding this only कि इसका मतलब पूरा A to Z. So right now we are going to use 40 minutes of ours to cover all of that up and फिर अपन break लेंगे. कहाँ गया Godfather? मैंने खुद ने ही घुमा दिया लगता है. ये रहा भाई, स्क्रीन लोड करो. चलिए, now you can see a paper in front of you which is exactly this system as well, right? This is the Godfather system. Now why do we call it Godfather? क्योंकि ये सबका बाप है इसलिए. You try everything in the world, you will come to this at the end, right? One thing you need to understand is any funnel that you use is good. I have no problem with that. But if you are someone who is low on budget, testing for the first time, you don't know what you're doing, then this funnel works the best. The reason we use this and not anything else that I use, जैसे आप बोलोगे हिमांशु खुद तो 299 करते हो, हमको 19 बोल रहे हो. हिमांशु खुद वेबिनार करते हो, हमें ई-बुक बोल रहे हो. You might feel these questions. The game is I'm on chapter 12, you're on chapter 1. तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ मैंने chapter 1 में क्या किया था. ये जिससे आप इसको replicate करके आगे बढ़ो. The first funnel I had was a call booking funnel for 1.5 years. Then for the next 1.5 years, I had a normal workshop funnel, workshop to call funnel, जिसको 6 step to 6 figures बोलते हैं. And then after that, I got to AI funnel, which is 299 and 3-day funnel. You will also get over there, but it's time. You cannot do it as the first position. Why you can't do it is because you have not cracked right now one-to-one selling as well. If you don't know how to close people on one-to-one at a good conversion rate, it's very hard for you to convert on a mass level everyone. अभी आप सामने वाले का प्रॉब्लम समझते हो, you go deep, you connect with them on one-to-one, you do everything, उसके बाद भी they say I'm not buying. Imagine how hard it would become in one-to-many, because now you can't connect deeply, you don't understand the specific problems of them, and that's why there's only one-way communication. You speak to all. You can see chats, but that does not help much. So the only way to communicate over there is you to them and no way back. So you need to understand from the expressions, from the chat, from the words they write, are they getting your point or not? And are they on the same page or not? The reason you're sitting in ISEX right now is because when you attended the 3-day event, you felt a connection with me somewhere. Yes or no? How many felt that by raise of hands? कुछ ना कुछ reason होगा. ये connection के points होते हैं. Some people have the angle of spirituality. Some people have the angle of directness, which I have. Some people are blunt. Some people are humble. Some people are kind. Some people are good looking. You don't know what works for you. For every different coach, a different flavor works. क्या बोला मैंने? For every different coach, a different flavor works. There are some people in your life that you regularly do work from. उनका काम अच्छा नहीं है, but फिर भी आप उन्हीं को काम देते हो. हाँ या ना, yes no. Happens. Why do you do that? It's because you like their flavor. It's because you like their personality of what the person they are. भले ही उनका काम उतना अच्छा नहीं है, but फिर भी you give the work to them only. Why do you do that? Is because of the flavor. That's why it is said you need to be the most authentic version of yourself when you're portraying yourself online. Imagine this. I am direct, I am blunt. Everyone knows. Imagine I try to act like I am not in the webinar. Let's say, आप कुछ लोग impress हो गए, बोले यार बढ़िया बंदा है, डायरेक्ट नहीं है, हमें गालियां नहीं बक रहा, क्या बढ़िया आदमी है. Then I do that in the workshop, then I do that in the 3-day. And then you come in the I6 and like, yeah, तो blunt हो गया ये. Now you feel a disconnection. And that's why I would see the community is not breeding up. Why it is not breeding? Because my authentic version is not out. My authentic version should be out from the ad till the end. It should be the same. Because if I am direct and blunt, my nature, whenever I am outside, I'm in a restaurant, I'm anywhere, if people come up to me, they should see that this is the same Himanshu Agrawal that I talk to in the funnel, that I talk to in the workshop, that I see in the ad. This is not some different Himanshu Agrawal. Most creators go through a disorder. It is called a split personality disorder. वो यहाँ कुछ और है, वहां कुछ और है. एंड ये चीज आपको सक्सेस देगी, नो डाउट, पर खुशी नहीं देगी. बिकॉज देन यू आर इन अ कॉन्स्टेंट फियर ऑफ व्हाट इफ दिस पर्सन इज जजिंग मी, या ये मुझे देख रहा है, मुझे जानता तो नहीं है, यार एयरपोर्ट पे मैं यही पहन के जाऊंगा. दीज ऑल थिंग्स स्टार्ट टू कम इन योर माइंड व्हिच क्रिएट्स क्लटर, एंड द क्लटर विल नॉट मेक यू सक्सेसफुल. So your job as a person who is representing him online, agency हो, SaaS हो, coach हो, कुछ भी हो, if you are representing yourself online, you present the most authentic version. Less people will connect, that's fine, but you always present the most authentic version. क्योंकि आपका जो फ्लेवर है उसकी ऑडियंस अवेलेबल है, आपको नहीं पता कहाँ है. I didn't knew that the audience like this exists which like direct and blunt things. ये शुरू में चलता नहीं था. So people used to be like, you're so rude to me. I'm like, I'm not rude, I'm just telling you it's a problem. Right? People didn't like that. But then dhire, I started to see a market where people are like, I don't want Gyan, give me the solution, which I am. But some people disconnect, which I'm totally fine with. You need to choose your stance. Who am I? What do I represent? And you need to draw a boundary on the sand that this is me. If you're over here, welcome. If you're not over here, thank you so much. If you don't have these guts, and you try to position yourself as the perfect man for everybody, you would never be happy inside you. Because always what you're doing is you're trying to act. तुम एक्टर हो और तुम पूरी लाइफ एक्ट करते रहोगे, जो नहीं करना है. Because that creates clutter in the head. If you have clutter over here, you can't make big business decisions. Does that make sense? By raise of hands if that makes sense. Very good. Now we are going to understand the Godfather system. Now one mistake that everyone does is everyone starts the Godfather system from here. And that's where the mistake starts. You never start from here. You start the Godfather system from here. So there are 3 different pillars. सबको दिख रहा है? Front end, back end, mid end. अभी सब लोग लिखेंगे. Back end के आगे लिखो 1. Back end के आगे लिखो 1. That means the number one thing that you solve in the business is the back end, not the front end or mid end. अभी front end के आगे लिखो 2. और mid end के आगे लिखो 3. The last thing that you solve in the business is a mid end. But people have this problem of, oh, let me make my ebook first. No, it's a wrong approach. The first thing that you do is you build your high ticket offering, your high ticket product or your high ticket service. Once this is built, now you are sorted and the chunks of this can be used as a front end. क्या बोला मैंने? You build this up using the MVO worksheet जो हमने I6 में दी है, Minimum Viable Offer Worksheet.
MVO is nothing but a minimum viable offer. That simply means that the first version of your offer which the market sees. It should not be the best offer in the world. It should not solve all the problems. You should not have all the features and benefits they can think of. It would not even have bonuses. It is the first version that you create of your offer just to test that would the market pay for something like this.
You use this, you build this whole thing. And then you take a single part of it and you put it on the front end. I'll give you a very simple example. In iSex, do we only teach funnels? No. There is ads, there is automation, there is funnels, there is scripts, there's sales, there's negotiation, multiple topics. Now what I would do is I'll create my high ticket offer and service first. Now once I have this whole service, I'm going to look at it and be like, what is one thing that I can do in a short time, but people would be very happy? So I take out the funnel part. Nice. Now, this funnel thing is put into the front end, which becomes what? AI funnel workshop. Does that make sense? It can also become a AI funnel ebook. If I am a sales coach and I have all these topics, I would say, what is one thing that people, cold calling script. I pick it up. Now the cold calling script becomes my front end. So in your thing, you're presenting a buffet in your high ticket service or product, you need to see which is the one thing which takes the lowest time but can give a result. Now the result needs to not be very huge. It can be a short result, but gives a result and takes a shorter time. Example, I cannot take objection handling as a front end. Why? Because it takes time to practice. Yes, no. So I cannot be like, objection handling scripts, use and you will be okay. No, it would not be. When people would use it, they would not get a result. So my brand is getting diluted. So I will use something that gives a result. A very short problem can be done in a short period of time. Now let's say you are an agency. You'd be like, but I don't have anything to teach. I'm an agency. Understand this. When you are an agency, you have multiple services ek ke baad ek. Let's say you are a Facebook ad agency. First, you do onboarding. Then you develop the graphics. Then you make the ad account. Then you develop the pixel. Then you make the video ads. Then you launch the ads. Then you make the funnel. Whatever you do, right? There is a sequence. You take just one part. Image ad creation, let's say. You pick it up. Now, if someone is buying image ad creation as a checklist or an ebook, the chances are they are running ads but struggling in ads. Yes, no? This becomes your ebook. Right? CTR optimizing ads template. जिसमें हमने 25 template दिए हैं of best image ads that have worked for you. Problem solved. You just need to see in your whole buffet which is that one thing that gives them a problem solving in a short period of time. Basically, the desert of your buffet. पूरा buffet आपके पास, उसमें desert क्या है? वो desert आपको front end पे लाना है बस. क्योंकि जैसे वो पहला desert खाएंगे बोले वाह मस्त है buffet. Now let me play the whole to get the whole buffet. पहले आपको चखाना है. अब चखाने के लिए आपको ये फिगर आउट करना है what takes short time. क्या पॉइंट्स हैं? पहला short time. It should take a very short period of time. ठीक है? It should take a very short period of time. If it takes a long period of time, it would not work out well. The short period of time. If your problem is solved in 7 days, 14 days, 1 month, 2 months, not recommended for front end. You can put it on back end. But front end के लिए, where you're positioning the offer that anybody can buy, you need a very small thing. Right? For example, daily detox ebook for fitness guys. It can be, let's say, negotiation tips for sales. It can be image ad templates. It can be anything that is short, crisp, gives a result. So short time should give a result no matter what happens. If they use it, they should get a result, right? Which will create, both of these things will create an aha moment in the person, which is like, oh, this thing works here. I think this is a good person. Let me explore more. And that's where your nurturing starts. ठीक है? So the first thing that you do is backend. अब backend में भी उल्टा चलना है. So everyone make a arrow like this from here to here. ऐसा arrow बनाओ. इसमें भी उल्टा चलना है. ऐसे नहीं जाना है, उल्टा चलना है. That means the first thing you develop is your MVO, your minimum viable offer, or which is your high ticket offer. Once you have built your offer, then you create the sales script in the way that it supports the offer. So if your offer is a done for you offer, your sales script would change a little bit. If your offer is a do-it-yourself offer, this would change a little bit. So you need to make sure for yourself that as per the product or service, I change my sales script and I craft my sales script as per this. So your sales script would change. Now if your sales script changes, you might ask different questions. And if you're asking different questions, the calendar form would change. कितने लोग समझ में आया by raise of hands? Yes? पीछे से आगे जाना है, आगे से पीछे नहीं जाना है. लोग क्या करते हैं, पहले सेल्स स्क्रिप्ट बना ली, अब ऑफर बनाएंगे. नहीं, ऑफर बनाओ, सेल्स स्क्रिप्ट बनाओ, उसके हिसाब से कैलेंडर में क्वेश्चंस भी चेंज होंगे. सो यू गो फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस. नाउ दिस सेगमेंट इज सॉल्व्ड. ठीक है? अब सब लोग लिखेंगे फ्रंट एंड इक्वल्स टू कस्टमर फ्लो. बैक एंड इक्वल्स टू, इसके आगे ऐसा इक्वल्स टू लगाओ, लिख लो. बैक एंड इक्वल्स टू प्रॉफिट. Mid end equals to cash flow. This mid end is a later thing, right? This is not the thing that you use right now. This is a later thing, okay? This thing scales you up, but also needs a lot of money to scale it up, right? Iska maths karenge abhin, why it is needed and what happens. The main part is this and this. If you have cracked this, you can just play organic and build a big business, right? ये crack होने के बाद इसके आगे अपने front end लगाया, magic starts to happen. The funnel that we teach you, the ebook funnel, is the first part, pura, right? Now you take buffet में से desert, you put that desert on the front end. On the front end you'll see image ads and video ads. सब लोग video ads को cross कर दो. In the start you will not run video ads. You will only use image ads. Why do we do that? The reason we only use image ads is because it is faster to create, easier to test, and takes less money. Faster to create, easier to iterate, and takes less money. When you run video ads, the CPM, cost per impression, would increase because it's a video ad, so people are seeing it fully. When it's an image ad, your CPM is less. So in the start, when you start with your 200, 400, 500 budget, till 2000 per day, image ads are good to go for. Just scale only with image ads, don't do any video ads. Once you reach 2000 per day, then go for video ads. Video ads का script ICEX में दिया हुआ है मैंने. 3 script दिया, वो 3 बहुत है आपके लिए, right? Now, your ads would only run on Facebook and Instagram, no YouTube, no Quora, no LinkedIn, nothing. Only Facebook and Instagram. And these all will go to 3 different pages. We'll start with one right now, which is your 19 rupees ebook. Once you are done with your 19 rupees ebook, then you come to the second part, which is your, which is your 9 rupees ebook, and then you come to a 299 resource landing page. Now, there's a difference in this. First, you go with 19. Why? Because why don't we do it free? We can give it free. We can get more people. The reason we don't do it free is because then we will get freebies. Freebies are people who want everything for हम नहीं देते. दुनिया दे, हम नहीं देते. I charge front end पे 299 because I want only serious people. I'm ready to pay more, but I only want serious people. I'm here to build a business, not a charity. Free चाहिए, YouTube, Instagram पे बहुत है, जाओ. So I'm very clear on that, and you need to be clear that business is business, charity is charity. दोनों मिलाना नहीं है. ठीक है? You don't do it free no matter what happens. You charge 19 is because it's a very low amount. Anybody can enter, easy to get a PDF for, and you don't have any delivery system problem. When you do webinars, there's a lot of delivery system problems. जैसे कि reminders, email गया कि नहीं, WhatsApp गया कि नहीं, 2 दिन के पहले reminders, सबको calling हुई कि नहीं, did everyone show up, now send them the recording. Too many delivery systems. In this, there is one email जिसमें ebook की link गई, काम खत्म. So you don't have a delivery baggage on your bag every single day. So when we do workshop and we're getting 300 signups a day, which is एक हफ्ते में 1500 signups we'll get, और 1200 लोग will show up. This creates a lot of headache. I have a big team which can handle it. आपको कॉल आ जाएगा, SMS आएगा, WhatsApp आएगा, email आएगा, आप आओगे, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं मिली, बम्प खरीदा था उसका वो नहीं मिला, 1000 प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं. एंड उसके लिए एक सपोर्ट टीम लगेगी जो मेरे पास है. आपके पास बजट नहीं है. That's why you use this thing, ebook. There's no delivery tension. कोई मैसेज करेगा, ebook नहीं मिली, लिंक भेज दी, खत्म, डिलीवरी हो गई. That's why you use this, so that you can scale faster. Number one thing. Once you're done with the 19 rupees ebook, then you come to the 9 rupees ebook. Why do you get to 9 rupees ebook? Because now you will test more angles. Let's say पूरे buffet में से आपने choose किया negotiation. चल गया, very good. What else can I launch? Oh, I can launch objection handling. I can launch pitching. I can launch presentation. I can launch PPT making. I can launch multiple segment in sales. I need to choose what I want to choose. So first one I launch at 19. चल गया, नहीं चला तो उसी में iterations. चल गया, very good. Now I keep it on hold, keep it running and test more. Why am I testing more and not scaling it? कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me? हाँ जी. Okay, filter the best. हाँ जी.
Like you earlier said, try करो, जब तक नहीं होता तब तक दूसरे के लिए ready होना शुरू करो, ताकि आपको फिर से वापस.
Correct. That is also correct. What else? हाँ जी. Revenue. Okay. This point is the main point, which is the real money is not made on the front end. This is a loss game for you. And this loss game never gets less, it always gets more only. यानी कि यहाँ पे अगर आपका लॉस अभी 100 पर डे हो रहा है, तो स्केल पे 50 पर डे नहीं होगा, 200 पर डे होगा. करेक्ट? That's why your job is to find the winner, जो वो बोल रहे थे, to find the winner as soon as possible. Because ये चीज चल गई, very good. But what if you can test 5 more and then see what is working the best? Because when you want to cater to the whole sales market, if you only say objection, you don't become a sales expert. So when you want to present yourself as a sales coach, if you only have objection handling on the front end, you don't become a sales coach, you become a objection handling coach. Does that make sense? आपका branding dilute हो गया क्योंकि आपने एक ही चीज रखी है. But when you test multiple, the market is seeing multiple messages from you. And that's why you become a umbrella. Always remember that when you are into business, you make a umbrella, not a niche. Yeah, you make a umbrella, not a niche. Any big coach you will see, they always have umbrella. They never have a niche. They have a umbrella. Umbrella का मतलब क्या? अगर आपने niche पकड़ ली तो आप फंस गए. तो आपको पकड़ना umbrella. ये जो डंडी है, ये आपका मेन काम है. But this umbrella is what covers everything. Now let me take a big name. Let's say Grant Cardone. कौन है ग्रैंड कार्डोन? कौन बताएगा मुझे? इतने सारे नाम क्यों आ रहे? एक क्यों नहीं आया? किसको समझ में आया? इट्स अम्ब्रेला. द अम्ब्रेला इज व्हाट? 10x. अभी 10x क्या? मुझे भी नहीं पता. लीड्स, सेल्स, रियल एस्टेट, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स क्या? इट्स अम्ब्रेला. अभी उसने ये प्लान किया कि भाई मैं ये बनाऊंगा, तुम्हें जो चुनना है तुम चुन लो. So somebody chose sales, somebody said real estate, somebody said 10x. Because you chose that for you. But he has this whole umbrella. Similarly, every big player will always have an umbrella. Who is Tony Robbins? इतने सारे वर्ड्स क्यों आ रहे हैं? एक वर्ड क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Is because he has planted that. It's an umbrella he's making. He's also a life coach, he's also a business coach, he's also a leadership coach, he's also a success coach. उसने प्लांट किया है वो. आपने वो चूज किया जो आपको सही था. जो डंडी आप बनाओगे, अम्ब्रेला जो पूरा है वो बनाते हैं. Yes, because you don't know when it will saturate. Yeah, only lead magnets. Back end is always the same. The lead magnets change. The front end only change.
Do we need?
Can be the case. Yes, can be the case.
Do we need to do it from the day one, umbrella?
No. So you start one, you got one winner. पहली बात तो एक winner ढूंढने में 1-2 महीने लगेगा. Once you get your winner, then you slowly start testing it. Because in the start you don't have money, right? So आपने एक लॉन्च किया, थोड़ा बहुत पैसा कमाया, अभी आपके पास 50,000 सेविंग हो गया. अब आप बोलते हैं यार I'll put 20,000 more to test one new. Make sense? फिर थोड़ा और बनेगा, यार I'll put 20,000 again to test one. एक टाइम बाद in 6 months you will have 3 to 4 things rotating at once. And at that time you will know, oh, this is the one that will make me super rich. मैं बोलता हूँ you are one funnel away for my dream life. वो यही है. वो one funnel ढूंढने का मेहनत है बस. एक बार बन गया उसके बाद गेम ओवर. You are one funnel away to become rich once and you're done. हाँ जी. Correct. Only ebooks. Don't do anything else unless ebooks are not working for you at all. I've seen some people do challenges or mini course or something. वो चलाते हैं, फिर 1 महीना चलता है, फिर नहीं चलता. You can try, but I would not recommend. हाँ जी. The definition is simple. ये याद कर लो. वन टू का 4. पैसा बनना चाहिए. You launch the funnel, it gives you a ROAS of 2, 3, 4, good to go. पैसा 1, 2 का 4 हो रहा है, बस. That is winning. आपको सुंदर लगता है, वो विनिंग नहीं है. मार्केट बहुत फीडबैक दे रहा है, वो विनिंग नहीं है. जो चीज पैसा बना रही है, वो विनिंग है. Because that will run the business. Make sense? Right? So the parameter is ROAS. Return on ad spend. जो भी आपने पैसा लगाया, उस पे क्या रिटर्न बना. अगर अच्छा है, सही है. नहीं है, चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Does that make sense? If you're clear by now by a raise of hands, very good. अम्ब्रेला है जो उसने पूरा बनाया है. 10x, रियल एस्टेट, सेल्स कोचिंग, बिजनेस कोचिंग, लीड जेन, कोल्ड कॉलिंग, ये उसने बनाया है. आपने जो चूज किया वो ये है. ये आप नहीं बनाते, ये मार्केट चूज करता है. जैसे हिमांशु does a lot of things. Himanshu has template vault, Himanshu has AI funnel, Himanshu has 6 step to 6 figure, Himanshu has automation. But people have made me what? The funnel guy. Make sense? तो with time वो change भी होता है और हर किसी के लिए अलग अलग भी होता है. जैसे किसी के लिए I'm the template guy, किसी के लिए I'm the ads guy, किसी के लिए I'm the funnel guy, किसी के लिए I'm the coaching guy. It can change for people, but my umbrella is bigger. Does that make sense, everyone? हाँ जी. Okay, perfect. चलिए. Now once you are done with your 19 rupees, 9 rupees, then you come to your 299 try page. This is the game where you start getting into real quality audience. अभी इसका जो लैंडिंग पेज है वो बहुत अलग दिखता है, ठीक है, मैं खोल के दिखाऊंगा. Very branded, super high quality, everything is pinpointed, high conversion rate. Here's where you get the quality audience. But this will not work if you have not run these two. Why? Because your pixel is not trained.
Now, the meta pixel is nothing but a simple code that you insert inside your web pages or landing page, whatever you have. This code gets trained with time. The more money you spend on meta, the more you are telling meta what kind of audience you like and you don't like. And as you scale, your pixel gets more and more trained. The more trained it is, the easier it is for you to target audience, and secondly, get more quality audience in your funnels.
So Facebook has a pixel, a code. The more you spend on ads, the more pixel get trained. So जो कोड होता है वो कोड डेटा स्टोर करता है. कौन लैंडिंग पेज पे आया, किसने खरीदा, कौन आया, किसने खरीदा, कौन आया, किसने खरीदा, किसने क्लिक किया, किसने क्लिक नहीं किया. डेटा गैदर कर रहा है वो. So with 90 rupees and 9 rupees, you can spend less money and keep on verifying your pixel and keep on your pixel better. एक बार pixel अच्छा हो गया, then you jump to a 299, 499, 399 thing, which is the try sales page. You use that and then you scale the business up. समझ में आया? Because now your pixel is trained, so your pixel can understand what do you want from the marketplace. Abhi your pixel is new. If you give him a high complexity task, it will not understand, which is finding an audience that can pay 300 by seeing an ad. Tough to find. So it is tough for Facebook in the start to find those people. That's why anyone who tries 299 workshop or any of these things in the start, they die. Because the pixel is not trained. I did 299 after how much time? 4 years. 3 years technically. 3 साल बाद 299, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं मर जाऊंगा. तो पहले थोड़ा बहुत फ्री किया, वो मेरी गलती थी, नहीं करना चाहिए था, बट फ्री किया मैंने थोड़ा बहुत. उसके बाद मैंने बीच में 9 रुपीज किया, फिर मैं 99 पे आया, देन आई एम 299. इट्स अ ट्रांजिशन दैट यू प्ले ऑन. इफ यू जंप डायरेक्टली टू समथिंग, तो किस्मत अगर अच्छी होगी तो चलेगा, वरना नहीं. साइंटिफिकली इट वुड नॉट वर्क इन फेवर ऑफ यू, इट विल वर्क अगेंस्ट ऑफ यू. सो यू ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद लो टिकट प्राइस. डोंट एवर थिंक कि मैं कम चार्ज कर रहा हूं तो मेरी ब्रांडिंग खराब हो रही है. तुम्हारा ब्रांड कुछ नहीं है अभी तुम्हारे दिमाग में. तुम्हें गिनती के 20 लोग जानते हैं, वो भी शायद एयरपोर्ट पे मिले तो ना पहचाने तुम्हें. आई एम नॉट जोकिंग. मैं अगर अपना YouTube अकाउंट खोलूंगा तुम डर जाओगे इंप्रेशंस देख के. स्टिल आई एम एट एयरपोर्ट्स, नोबडी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड. स्टिल आई एम एट अ पब्लिक प्लेस, नोबडी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड. वेरी फाइन, वेरी नॉर्मल. आई हैव सीन टीवी स्टार्स गॉन थ्रू दैट. राइट, वेरी नॉर्मल. आपके दिमाग में आपका ब्रांड है, कुछ नहीं हो भाई, तुम कुछ नहीं. समझ में आ रहा है? सब दिमाग में. इफ यू चार्ज लेस, डोंट फील कि ओह मेरा तो पोजीशनिंग खराब हो रहा है, ऐसा वैसा. इट्स अ शॉर्ट टर्म गेम. यू चार्जिंग लो टिकट फॉर सम टाइम और टाइम, पर फिर जैसे ही तुम उसको बड़ा कर दोगे, देन तुम हार भी नहीं सकते, बिकॉज पिक्सल ट्रेंड है. एंड नाउ योर ब्रांडिंग इज लाइक रियल ब्रांडिंग, बिकॉज एट स्केल यू यूज द हाई टिकट वन. डज दैट मेक सेंस? और सब क्वेश्चन किसका था? हाँ.
Yeah, so I use my Pixel to run ad for free meditations. 4 of them at least every 3 months. So will that affect? Should I
Yes.
make a new Pixel?
यस. और सुबह आपने क्या बोला था? एड नहीं चल रहे, बिकॉज यू हैव ट्रेन्ड योर पिक्सल ऑन फ्री ऑडियंस.
Yeah.
So free audience came on your landing page. Now your pixel is like, oh, तुम्हें इस टाइप की ऑडियंस चाहिए, बहुत बढ़िया. अब आप बोल रहे हो नहीं अब 19 वाली लाके दे, तो पिक्सल बोलता है अरे अभी तो. You confused it. It's like a kid. तो आपको छोटा बच्चा है, पिक्सल वही है. आप वो बच्चे पे पैसा खर्च करते हो, उसको IIT बनाते हो या कॉलेज भेजते हो, जो भी करते हो. पिक्सल भी ऐसे ही, उसमें पैसा खर्च करते हो टू गिव हिम डेटा. आपको बच्चा भी पढ़ रहा है, अभी आपको बच्चा IIT बन गया है, उसके बाद आप क्या बोलते हो, अब एक काम कर MBA कर ले. अरे got it?
Yeah.
Similarly, Pixel was trained for free. Pixel is like, yes, I'm getting it. अब एक काम करो, पेड कर लो. अरे फंस गया पिक्सल, बिकॉज इज लाइक नाउ मैं क्या करूं, तो वो ऑडियंस ढूंढता ही नहीं है. फिर आपका CPM बढ़ जाएगा, CTR गिर जाएगा, बोलो ये क्या हो रहा है. यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द मैट्रिक्स बिकॉज इट हैज ट्रेन्ड ऑन समथिंग एल्स. तो IIT से MBA नहीं कराना है.
What's the way out? New Pixel?
न्यू पिक्सल.
But there's no way to delete the old one, right?
You don't delete the old one, you just put a new pixel. New pixel ट्रेन होना चालू हो गया, 2 बच्चे कर लिए. अभी एक IIT बन चुका है, तो दूसरे को पूरा BBA वगैरह सब कराना पड़ेगा ना, उसको नहीं चेंज कर सकते. हो गया, राइट? इट इज इरिवर्सिबल. हाँ जी. सॉरी no problem in that. It happens, but at huge scale, right? It does not like hampers a lot. Like we do, like we run 3 lakhs a day, then stop for 7 days, then start Sita with 3 lakhs a day. Nothing happens. Because the pixel is trained so much. In your case, it might fluctuate because there's no data right now. But as you give more and more data, now your ad account is like your kid. उसको बोलो बच्चा ये पनीर ले आओ, ले आएगा. शुरू में बोले मैं नहीं लागा. Right? So it's like with time it gets better. You go to next level when the current level you optimize and it doesn't goes next level. Example, you are running 90 rupees ebook funnel, you're getting 100 sales a day, you're getting calls booked, you're making high ticket sales. Sorted. Now you try to go from 100 to 120, it's not happening. You guys try to go from 100 120, it raises too much CPA, now nothing is profitable. So you go back to 100, now it is profitable. So you're like, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. गड़बड़ नहीं है. उस फनल की औकात उतनी थी. उसको छोड़ दो आप. उसके ऊपर मत करो स्केल, वरना वो गड़बड़ा जाएगा. मतलब the strength of that funnel, heavy lifting power of that funnel for the whole market is very less. 100 is not bad, 100 leads a day is very good. But उसका strength उससे ऊपर नहीं है, तो उससे ऊपर उसको डंबल मत दो. Leave it over there, start testing new one. So हर funnel का एक level होता है. जब आप अपने funnel में बहुत सारे optimization कर चुके हो, सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया, एजेंसी चेंज कर लिया, एड अकाउंट चेंज कर लिया, A to Z सब कर लिया, and the funnel is not able to scale. That simply means one thing, उस funnel का उतना ही औकात है, तो उससे ज्यादा मत पुश करो. वो 20 किलो से ही बेंच प्रेस मार सकता है, तुम क्यों 25 दे रहे हो? Test a different one and do horizontal scaling. There are two types of scaling that you do. One is horizontal, one is vertical. So this is vertical scaling, this is horizontal scaling. What is vertical scaling? This is AI funnels. अभी AI funnels को पहले मैं ले गया 1 lakh per day, then 2 lakh per day, then 3 lakh per day, then 4 lakh per day. I'm increasing this. This is vertical scaling. One thing, I take it up. If this is not working and it's not going above 4 lakhs a day, then what I do is called as horizontal scaling. AI funnel, template vault, 6 steps. You see what I'm doing now? So either I can take 1 to 4 lakhs or I can have 4 to 1 lakh. Same case. You need to see yourself for what it works. Abhi AI funnel was optimized heavily, that's why I can go to 4 lakhs. Most people who are in my niche don't even go to 1 lakh per day. But mine was heavily optimized. इसलिए 4 lakh हो पाया आराम से. पर 4 लाख के ऊपर उसका दम नहीं. मैं उसको 5 करूंगा वो घबरा जाएगा. प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कम हो जाएगी, तो मैं उसको 4 के नीचे ही रखूंगा, उसके रेंज में रखूंगा, बस वहीं चलता रहे. And then I'll try to launch something else rather than working on it, because the marginal utility on the funnel goes down. क्या वर्ड है? Marginal utility. What does that mean? IC कर रहा है लेट्स से साल का 35 करोड़. एक कोचिंग बिजनेस मेरे हिसाब से ज्यादा 40-50 करोड़, उससे ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है, मतलब उससे ऊपर ले जाना बेवकूफी है. जा सकता है बट आई वुड नॉट टेक इट. तो आई नो द हाईएस्ट लिमिट ऑफ दिस इज 45 करोड़. If this takes mine 10 hours a week, then this would take 25 hours a week. Now, according to me, putting 15 hours extra to make 10 crores more, I don't feel good. Instead, I can start another business that's 35 more by putting 10 hours. कितने लोगों को समझ में आया by raise of hands? It's a marginal utility game. Same in your funnel. Let's say you put in your funnel 10 hours a week. That funnel makes you 35 lakhs a month. 35 lakhs a year, example. 3 लाख रुपए महीना. अब आपको उस पे कितनी कॉलिंग करानी पड़ेगी, बहुत एसएमएस डालने पड़ेंगे, पता नहीं क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके 10 लाख और कमाओगे. Is it worth it? No. Because the amount of stress you are getting on your head for just 10 lakhs more is not worth it. That's why you launch something else of that much amount in small amount of time. So now you have 2 of 35 instead of 1 of 45. Does that make sense? This might happen that because of this extra one, the second funnel that you launch, this might also get to 40 automatically. Why? Because network effect होगा ना. यहाँ के लोग यहाँ भी तो आएंगे. Does that make sense? How many of you bought template vault from me by a raise of hands? Template vault से खरीदा? ये देखो network effect है. 4 लोगों ने लिया है ना. वो network effect. वहाँ के लोग यहाँ भी आएंगे automatically. Right? How many of you are AI funnel people? How many 6 step to 6 figures? देखो 3-4 वो हैं, राइट? इट्स अ नेटवर्क इफेक्ट. पहली चीज दूसरे को सपोर्ट करेगी, दूसरी तीसरे को सपोर्ट करेगी, तो हम 2 के साथ खेलते हैं. द बेटर विद 2 थिंग इज दैट इफ दिस इवन फॉल्स डाउन फॉर अ डे, यू आर गुड विद दिस. बट द प्रॉब्लम विद 1 इज इफ दिस गोज डाउन, यू आर डन. दैट्स व्हाई इन द स्टार्ट यू हैव दिस एंजाइटी कि तुम्हें पता एक है और एक गया तो गेम ओवर. इसलिए इट इज गुड दैट यू टेस्ट थिंग्स फास्टर. अब आपके पास 4 है भाई, 10,000 पर डे पे, 2,000 पर डे पे, पर 4 है, 2 भी गए तो 2 बचे ना स्केल करने के लिए. Does that make sense by raise of hands? Yes, हाँ जी.
So, as you mentioned, we need to test it and all these things. I think we need to have a lot of technical competence and all, right?
Yes.
So, at what time we need to really get to the agencies? And again, see, I had gone through the journey. Even assessing them is again a tough thing. So, I think we are stuck. At least I am stuck in those steps.
अब मैं आपको लाइफ का मंत्र दे रहा हूँ. मेरी लाइफ इसी मंत्र पे चलती है, और वो मंत्र है ये. अरे यार, एक तो and or who how. It is not or, it is and, it is not how, it is who. क्या बोला? It is not or, it is and, it is not how, it is who. If you have this first question in your head, should I do this or this? Should I do LinkedIn or Instagram? Should I make content or do paid ads? Should I do ebook or webinar? Should I do this or this? You never use the or question in your life. You always put an and in that. Ebook and webinar. Safe and risky. Work from home and in-house. In-house and agency. And the second is who, not how. That means any work you want to do, you never figure out how to do this. You always figure out who can do it. Does that make sense? Not how, but who. Do I manage my money? The super rich never manage their own money. It's a stupid move because we have not learned it. We have learned how to make money, not manage it. So I find the person who does it. Do I run my ads? Do I run my ads? Do I make my graphics? Do I make my videos? Do I handle my social media accounts? Do I handle my comment section? Nothing. Nope. I never know how to run ads. अभी बुलवा लो, मेरे को नहीं आता. मेरे को सिर्फ डैशबोर्ड खोलना आता, पढ़ना आता है. You just need to be smart enough that people cannot make you stupid. That's it. If you understand numbers, if you can look at a dashboard and तुम बोल सको एजेंसी बेवकूफ बन रहा हूँ, you are good. You don't need to learn more than that. You instead hire someone. अभी तुम बोलोगे सर पर एक चीज होती है पैसा, वो नहीं है. Fine, you have something called as fractional equity or temporal equity. Fractional equity or temporal equity. If you are really keen and passionate and hardworking regarding your funnel, people can see that. And similarly, agency owners can see that. When the first person started working with me, I did not have the money. I offered him equity. What I said to that person is, brother, I don't have money. I have equity. What can I do is, your payment is 50,000. I can pay 10,000 only. Rest I'll give you from profit percentage as I make more. Now 10 may say, no, people will say no to you, but that is fine. But that one will say yes. And that's where the magic happens. So for my closers, for my media buyers, for my designers, everyone, I paid in equity in the start because I don't have the money. So how will I pay? Minus 9,000 profit है मेरा. तो कैसे दूंगा? But since I'm having that grit and passion, people would see that. And that's why they would like, चल तेरे पे बैठ लेता हूँ. Because then I'm like, see, if I become big, then so you're making very much money and I can't negotiate that time. So the person goes okay with that.
So if I have the real passion and all from the day one, having an in-house or high, this thing is good.
You can, for sure. I would do that only. I have my e-commerce brand. There are only 2 members in that brand. Tejas
I
and
had
Aryan.
hired a marketing person and I was scared. So that
You would be scared. Why? Because we think we are geniuses. हम दूसरे लोगों को काम क्यों नहीं देते? क्योंकि हमें लगता है महान है. वो गलती कर देगा तो, जैसे तुम बहुत गलतियां नहीं करते. We have this syndrome of, if I give it to him and what if he does a mistake? ये देखो कि तुम कितनी करोगे. Because we don't know anything about ads, right? So it's always better that we find the who, not the how. I never find the how. Still to date, I don't have my ShipRocket का password. चेक कर लो मेरा WhatsApp लैपटॉप, मेरे पास मेरे ShipRocket का ID पासवर्ड नहीं है, which is used to run an e-com business. I don't have it. I don't need it. Why do I need to have? मैं देख के कर क्या लूंगा? समझ में कुछ आ नहीं रहा है. It's not my cup of plate, so I give it to someone else. Please do this for me. And you had the right people to do it. Does that make sense? If you do everything on your own, you will die. Because you are not the expert at everything. You need to find people who are experts at that topic and give it to them. And never touch it. आपको क्या लगता है मेरी रील्स की आइडिया मैं निकालता हूँ कि जीतू से पूछता हूँ? जीतू से पूछूंगा ना भाई, मैं क्यों अपना दिमाग लगाऊंगा? नहीं, मैं तो बहुत महान मार्केटर हूँ, मुझे पता है। अरे कुछ नहीं पता है, उससे पूछो भाई तुझे क्या आता है? अच्छा ये कर सकते हैं क्या? हाँ कर दो। अभी सुबह में रात में यहाँ पे वी वर चेकिंग द स्टेज एंड एवरीथिंग। जीतू इज लाइक भाई आप ऐसे चलो यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे आके खड़े हो जाना। मतलब ठीक है, ऐसे किया, मस्त आपकी ट्रांजिशन रील बन गई। अब मैंने सोचा भी नहीं, वो एक्सपर्ट है, उसको पता है। Does that make sense? You always hire the right person to get that work done. Imagine if you did not had i6 with you, would you be able to launch a funnel on yourself? Yes, no. अभी सब दे दिया, उसके बाद भी दिक्कत है। तो जब कुछ नहीं होता तो क्या होता? What did you do? You chose the how, the who version, right? Who knows it? Who can teach me? Who can teach me? क्यों पता था? Who can do it for me? And you find that person and you give it to them. Let them do it. Does that make sense? खुद नहीं करना है, जितना करोगे उतना फंसोगे। You can never run multiple businesses. You can never become that big entrepreneur. You cannot run an empire like that. You never do it alone. You give it to other people. मेरी टीम और महान हो गई है। इवेंट मैनेज करने आई? नहीं, काम दे दिया। Who not how? Because you do only the work that you are expert at. Because आपको उसमें एक्सपर्टीज बिल्ड करने में 10-20 साल लगे, हाँ या ना? तो अगर 10-20 साल आपने लगाए तो किसी और ने भी 10-20 साल लगाए, करेक्ट? तो उनके 10-20 साल यूज करो ना, खुद के क्यों नहीं लगा रहे हो? तुम्हारी उम्र 120 है क्या? तो क्यों 10-20 साल लगाए जा रहे हो? There is no point in that. If you put 5 years in everything, there is no point. Put 20 in one. You'll build it big and give it to other people, the other things. And don't be scared to spend on that. Don't be scared because the return would be enormous. प्रॉब्लम ये कि आपने छोटा रिटर्न अभी चखा नहीं, इसलिए बोलता हूं फनल सबसे पहले लॉन्च करो। एक बार फनल लॉन्च हो गया, आपको छोटा रिटर्न दिख जाएगा। यार 200 रुपए एडमिट डाले 400 बन गए, नाइस। 2000 डाले 3000 हो गए। अभी जब ये देखिएगा छोटा रिटर्न, यार फिर आपको समझ आएगा शायद मुझे और इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। then he will become a person of मेरे पास पैसा है, इसको ले जा। Easiest person to sell to are the people who are rich because they know it's not an expense, it's an investment. It's not an expense, it's a investment. You take it as expense, I take it as an investment. Return 6 महीने बाद है। समझ में आया? अरे यस नो राइट, 6 महीने बाद रिटर्न है, तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा आज। तो उतना तुम्हें कैलकुलेशन करना है कि भाई इसका रिटर्न 4 महीने बाद है, इसका 3 महीने बाद है, इसका 6 महीने बाद है। And that will give a return, but that will take that much time. This is stock market, real estate होता है यार, सेम है। रिटर्न आएगा पर उतने टाइम में आएगा। अभी वहां लिखा हुआ है कि HDFC स्टॉक तुम्हें दे रहा है 20% रिटर्न साल का, और वो उस पॉइंट पे 20% नहीं मिलेगा, साल के एंड तक 20 हो जाएगा। उसमें 3 भी होगा, 7 भी होगा, -2 भी होगा, पर एवरेज में तुम्हें 20 मिल जाएगा। Does that make sense? Similarly happens in this business. You're putting money, it will not give you a result at that time only, it will give you in fraction of time, but it will compound itself if you don't quit. बीच में छोड़ दिया तो गेम ही ओवर। समझ में आया? By screen. Excuse me, screen. Now, all these people go to your OTO page. OTO page से they book a call से they buy your service. One thing to understand. If they buy the ebook over here, you send them to the OTO page. And you write on the top, your ebook is sent on your email, correct? In the email, you put the ebook का link, correct? Wrong. कितने लोगों के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं करते लोग बाय रेज ऑफ हैंड्स ई बुक खरीदने के बाद? दिस हैपेंस बिकॉज यू गिव द ई बुक टू देम। उनको ई बुक चाहिए, यू पुट ओवर देयर द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक इन द ईमेल एंड नो अदर लिंक, एंड यू राइट द लिंक ऑफ द बुक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप। तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे क्लिक करेगा, ऊपर डिस्क्रिप्शन होगा, वहां पे लिंक डालो ई बुक की, not in the email itself, so that they click and they join the group. फिर description खोलेगा, then they click and get the ebook. Does that make sense? Always remember as a marketer, जो उनको चाहिए वो नहीं देना है। अगर वो दे दिया तो चले जाएंगे, पॉइंट है ना. If you have an audience and if you give them what they want, they will leave. You don't give them what they want. You tease them with it. दूंगा पर अभी नहीं, ये देखो. टीज करना है, ऐसा भी नहीं करना है ही नहीं, आएंगे ही नहीं. बोलना है तो सही पर दूंगा नहीं. And you tease it with them. मेरे पास है पर अभी भी नहीं दिया है. The more you do that, the more they will keep on coming. This is I do in ICE 2.0 very wonderfully. पहला इवेंट होता है, देखो लाइक वाओ, सब मिल गया, हमें बहुत बढ़िया मजा आ चुका है. अब हिमांशु तेल लेने गया, हमारा काम हो गया है. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द इवेंट आई सिंपली से, पर अभी ये बचा है जो अगले इवेंट में दूंगा. अभी बात है यार, फिर 2 महीने बाद आना पड़ेगा. फिर वो लोग 2 महीने बाद आते हैं, फिर मैं बहुत कुछ देता हूँ, बोलते वाह वाह मजा आ गया, पर ये तो बचा है. एंड यू कीप ऑन डूइंग लाइक दैट. Because if you don't do it, they will not come. As simple as that. If I gave you all the content on day 1, would you show up on day 2? Yes, no. As simple as that. So I will not give you on day 1 all the content, though I can. That's why I don't give recordings. Jaldi se. Because once you get it, you will never watch it. You also know, I also know. तुम बोलोगे मैं देख लूंगा या देख लूंगी, तो मैं देता ही नहीं हूं. कैसे देखोगे? लाइव आओ. Does that make sense? So as a marketer, always remember, they want the ebook, don't give it. Tease it. और जहां तुम्हें ले जाना है वहां जाके रख दो उसको. बोले ये चाहिए तो वहां तक जाना पड़ेगा. Now they join the WhatsApp group. They do everything to get that 19 rupees का ebook. वो अपने 19 रुपए के लिए 8 घंटे बर्बाद कर देगा. मैं तुम्हें इंडिया एक्सप्लेन करता हूं एक सेंटेंस के अंदर. पूरा इंडिया एक सेंटेंस में. टाइम रिच, मनी पुअर, स्टेटस ड्रिवन. टाइम रिच, मनी पुअर, स्टेटस ड्रिवन. पूरा इंडिया है ये एक लाइन में. द होल इंडियन मार्केट इज वेरी टाइम रिच. टाइम बहुत है, 9 घंटे लगेंगे पर 20 रुपए का कैशबैक मिलेगा, चलेगा. होटल से 3 घंटे दूर कैब करके आना पड़ेगा, हाँ, पर 6 रुपए बच रहे मेरे. ये 6 ऐप इंस्टॉल करने पे 20 रुपए और मिलेंगे, कर लूंगा, क्या दिक्कत है. समय तो बहुत है. टाइम रिच, मनी पुअर, पैसे नहीं है, जान मांग लो पर पैसे नहीं. स्टेटस ड्रिवन, इज्जत बहुत चाहिए. इज्जत एकदम नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चाहिए, भले जेब में कुछ नहीं है, इज्जत बहुत चाहिए. So when you know you're operating a market like that, you always make offer that are in that zone only. जैसे कि the moment I start pitching, I get this question: price क्या है, price क्या है, price क्या है, price क्या है. Not a single person in my career has ever asked how long is the course. Because time rich है ना, बहुत टाइम है. बोलूंगा 160 घंटे का कंटेंट है, बहुत है, चलेगा. 8 दिन टाइम पास करेंगे, हाँ परफेक्ट है. 800 रुपए का नहीं, ये दिक्कत, ये नहीं हो पाया. Does that make sense? कितने लोगों ने सिस्टम में .io के 2 अकाउंट बनाए? सच सच बोलना. सिस्टम में के 2 अकाउंट बनाए फ्री वाले. हाथ उठाओ जल्दी से. हाँ 1 2, हाँ उठाओ जल्दी. मालूम है तुम इंडियन ही हो भाई. $19 मैं नहीं दूंगा. 1400 रुपए कैसे ले लिए? You can get unlimited funnels by paying $20 per month. नहीं, फ्री वाले 6 अकाउंट बनाएंगे अपन और उसमें लगे रहेंगे 8 घंटा और फिर बोलेंगे फनल लॉन्च नहीं हुआ. See, time rich, money poor, status driven. पर अभी हाथ नहीं उठाएंगे कि हाँ हम नहीं किया, बिकॉज स्टेटस ड्रिवन है. मुझे पता है ना भाई, क्योंकि मुझे नोटिफिकेशन आता है तुम अकाउंट बनाते हो. लिंक तुम मेरी यूज करते हो ना, तो मुझे दिखता है वहां brajesh.grawal@gmail.com, brajesh.grawal@gmail.com, brajesh.grawal123@gmail.com. एक के बाद एक नोटिफिकेशन. क्या चल रहा है भाई, खरीद ले. You do that every single day. इसका opposite is rich. That's the rich mindset. इसका just opposite. Time poor, money rich, status do not care. That is the rich mindset. इसका just opposite. ये common man है जो मैंने आपको बताया, Indian common man. Time rich, money poor, status driven. ये नहीं बनना है. अभी समझ में आया हम 19 रुपीज क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि टाइम रिच, तो ईबुक को पढ़ लेगा, तुम टेंशन मत लो, पढ़ेगा नहीं, मैंने बहुत डाल दिया है, वो बहुत टाइम उसके पास, बहुत पढ़ेगा वो। मनी पुअर 1900 पर तुम्हें मिलने नहीं वाले, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट नहीं है ना, वेरी मनी पुअर। स्टेटस ड्रिवन, अ बुक क्रिएट स्टेटस इन हिज माइंड, किताब पढ़ी मैंने, समझ में आया ये सब, इट्स अ गेम, सब सोच समझ के बनाएगा, इट्स ऑल साइकोलॉजी। पीछे 1000 फैक्टर है जो तुम्हें समझाते नहीं है, वरना ओवरवेल्म हो जाओगे, बट इट्स ऑल फैक्टर्स कंबाइंड टुगेदर, दैट्स व्हाई वी मेक दैट होल थिंग। क्लियर है यहां तक? चलिए स्क्रीन दिखाओ भाई, लैपटॉप ऑफ है।
Manju, one question.
हाँ जी।
So you said we need to. So before we give the ebook, we need to send them the WhatsApp group.
या
How do we send it to them? अगर ad चला रहे तो
एड चलाया, लैंडिंग पेज पे आया, 19 रुपीज पे किए, ओटीओ पेज पे जाएगा, ओटीओ पेज के टॉप पे क्या लिखा है, यू विल रिसीव योर ईबुक इन द ईमेल, करेक्ट?
right,
ईमेल के अंदर व्हाट डू यू पुट? लिंक ऑफ ईबुक, ड्राइव लिंक, करेक्ट?
right.
You remove that, put WhatsApp group का link.
So how do we get their emails when they pay? How do we get their email?
ISXC कौन सी मॉड्यूल पे हो?
Or
पढ़ो समय। क्या क्वेश्चन है? हाउ डू वी गेट देयर ईमेल? पेमेंट करने के बाद आएगा ना भाई रिजर्व पे, कैसा क्वेश्चन है? स्क्रीन, हाँ जी। सो नाउ फ्रंट एंड इज क्लियर एवरीवन, बैक एंड इज क्लियर। अब आते हैं मिड एंड पे। Now what you do is you use the front end traffic that you get and you start testing more sales process. So you test 3 things in your business. First of all, the thing that you test is more front end. Once you have cleared on this, then you test more sales process. Once you are done with this, you test more टीम मेंबर्स, और ये सब 10x के लेवरेज हैं। सो यू स्टार्ट विद दिस, दैट मींस यू टेस्ट मोर एंड मोर फ्रंट एंड्स, 19, 9, 17, ये वाला ये बुक, इस टॉपिक पे चेकलिस्ट, सब कुछ ट्राई कर रहे हो। 2-3 थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग, यू स्टार्ट स्केलिंग। एट दैट टाइम इट इज नाउ नॉट अबाउट फाइंडिंग मोर एंड मोर फ्रंट एंड्स, इट इज नाउ बिकमिंग अबाउट फाइंडिंग मोर एंड मोर सेल्स प्रोसेस। अभी क्या सेल्स प्रोसेस है? 1-to-1। नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड मोर, now we need to find more. So 1-to-1 हो गया, अभी 1-to-many, 1-to-many में 3-day मॉडल, 3-hour मॉडल। So we now test more sales process, because एक काम कर गई 1-to-1 वाली, तो हम ये ट्राई करते हैं कि 1-to-1 कॉल पे जो बंदा आया वो और क्वालिफाइड हो, और क्वालिफाइड हो, और क्वालिफाइड हो, and because of that the business grows even faster. So now you test more sales process. Testing more sales process also means subtracting something. Negative करना भी होता है कभी कभी। I'll give you a very simple example. एक केस स्टडी है संचित, किसने देखी संचित की केस स्टडी, योगा वाली? देखिए 2 जने में, ठीक है। संचित, he is a yoga coach, he solves arthritis, charge 1.2 lakhs a month, right now doing 15 lakhs a month. 1.2 lakh चार्ज करता है, बोलता है arthritis के थ्रू I'll solve yoga, योगा के थ्रू I'll solve arthritis। 15 लाख पर मंथ करता है, sorted life। हिमांशु, हमारा बिजनेस ग्रो नहीं हो पा रहा है, क्या करें? मैंने फनल देखा, मिला सब सही है, सारे नंबर सही है, क्या दिक्कत आ सकती है? What I did was not add something in the sales process, but remove something. So I used to do a webinar. So ebook की ऑडियंस आई, ebook की ऑडियंस में फ्री वेबिनार से 299 कॉल, वहां से कॉल्स। He is getting around 400 people in his webinar, around 150 people book a call every 2 weeks. बहुत बड़ा स्केल। What I asked him was, simply put a form for everyone who pays 299. उस फॉर्म के अंदर 10 क्वेश्चन डाल दो, नेम, ईमेल, फोन नंबर, करंट इनकम, करंट प्रोफेशन, वर्किंग स्टाइल, प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स, हर्डल्स, ये सब डाल दिए। जिसकी भी करंट इनकम लेवल 12 लाख पर ईयर से कम है, उसको रिफंड कर दो 299, कॉल पे मत जाना। सो ही चार्जेस 1.2 lakhs। हाई टिकट की डेफिनेशन क्या है? 10% ऑफ एनुअल इनकम, यानी कि अगर साल का 12 लाख नहीं कमा रहा, हमारे काम का है क्या? नहीं, ऐसे भी नहीं खरीदने वाला, EMI पे खरीदेगा, अलग टेंशन देगा। So what I asked him, refund 299. 299 में पैसा बन रहा है? नहीं, refund them. He started refunding 50% of them. What happened? Bandwidth of foreclosures increase. So now only they're taking qualified calls जिनके पास पैसा है। टाइम बच गया क्लोजर का, now you can scale more. कौन था भाई? ये सर ना, बाहर गए। आ जाओ, पुशअप करना है सर, पुशअप्स अरे चीटर, पकड़ना उसको, अभी आएगा वो। समझ में आया सबको? यू बेसिकली रिमूव समथिंग इन द सेल्स प्रोसेस एज वेल टू मेक इट मोर एफिशिएंट। वो आपको सोचना है कि अभी मेरे लिए क्या काम करेगा। तो व्हाट आई आस्क हिम, रिफंड हाफ ऑफ द पीपल। नाउ ही ओनली गेट्स द क्वालिफाइड पीपल। नाउ हिज क्लोजर्स हैव मोर टाइम, सो ही कैन टेक वेबिनार per week, not in 15 days. Now you can scale the business more. He went from 15 to 22. कुछ भी नहीं करा, सिर्फ रिफंड करा, 22 हो गया। Right? It's the way you see the funnel. क्या किस नजरिए से आपने देखा? Make sense? Once you are cleared on more sales process, then you come to something called as more team members. Sales process भी 2-3 बन गई आपकी। अब आपके पास एक ही गेम है, find more and more talent. आ जाओ भाई, पुशअप करने। तुम आईसेक्स मेंबर हो? अच्छा नहीं हो गया, मजा ही नहीं आया, छोड़ दो। More team members. That means once your sales process are done, then your only work is to create more and more team members, is to hire more and more team members and test more and more team members. If you have 4 closers, they close very well, पर 5वें का होकर टेस्ट करो। तू भी कर इनके साथ, देखते कैसा करता है। If performs really well, teach them what happened and you also stay here. If not, fire next. So in my sales team, 3 or 4 are set. और उसके साथ हम एक लाते रहते हैं हर 2 महीने में। आजा बैठ जाए इनके साथ। You also close. मीडिया बायर में भी सेम, एजेंसी है उसमें एक टीम मेंबर ऐड कर दिया, भाई तू भी चला ऐड। ग्राफिक्स में एक और ऐड कर दिया, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, तू भी बना। वीडियो में एक और वीडियो एडिटर ऐड कर दिया, तू भी कर। Because I want to see, maybe you work 10 times better than these guys. If you do, my business gets leverage. So I'm ready to test on you, no problem. Because you make one good video ad, मेरा पूरा साल निकल जाएगा। अरे yes, no? I have this script, किसने सुनी है? Most marketing agencies will hate me for this. By raise of hands. सुनी ना, ये रटी ना तुमको? इतनी बढ़िया काम करती है, पूरे साल चली, कुछ टेंशन नहीं दिया। किसने लिखी थी पता है? 300 रुपए के कॉपीराइटर ने। आया, हिमांशु भाई आपके लिए कॉपी लिखनी है, लिख दे। आई चार्ज 300 पर कॉपी, मतलब 400 दी है। 10 लिख के ला, अच्छी लाना, कल ही एड शूट है। उसमें से एक चल गई। कितना बना होगा उस एड स्क्रिप्ट से? 3 करोड़। एक एड स्क्रिप्ट 300 का, 1-2 का 100। अभी सोचो, मैं बोलता अरे यार पैसे लग रहे हैं, मेरा तो कॉपीराइटर है ही, जिनको 3 कॉपीराइटर 25,000 सैलरी देता हूं तीनों को, इसको क्यों करना है यार 4,000 रुपए ऊपर लगा के, क्या ही मतलब हो जाएगा। आई एम नॉट केयरिंग अबाउट इट, बिकॉज आई नो अगर एक भी चल गई तो जो रिटर्न है वो इतना मैसिव है दैट आई डोंट केयर अबाउट इट। डज दैट मेक सेंस? इसलिए आई से स्पेंड 5,000 ऑन द फनल एंड टेस्ट इट, बिकॉज तुम्हें नहीं पता कौन सा फटेगा। 20 टेस्ट करने के तुम्हारे लाख रुपए लग रहे हैं टेक्निकली, करेक्ट, पर 20 में से एक तो फटेगा, और जब वो फटा तो वो तुम्हें 20-25 लाख रुपए बना के देगा एक 3 महीने के अंदर। क्लियर? किसी को समझ में आया? बाय रेज ऑफ हैंड्स, वेरी गुड। अभी क्या करना होता है, यू गेट दिस ई बुक का लिस्ट इन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप। अब इस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के अंदर यू कैन पोस्ट योर इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, यूट्यूब का लिंक टू गेट मोर एंड मोर सब्सक्राइबर, फॉलोअर्स। आई डोंट केयर अबाउट देम, सो आई डोंट पुट देम। ऑल ऑफ दीज पीपल वुड नाउ बी रीडायरेक्टेड टू न्यू सेल्स प्रोसेस। प्रोसेस नंबर 1, इसके आगे लिखो 1, यहाँ पे लिखो 1, यहाँ पे लिखो 2, ये लाइन के आगे 1, ये के आगे 2। दिस इज प्रोसेस नंबर 1. In this process, you start testing one funnel which is called as a 3-hour webinar. Sorry, a 90-minute webinar. So all these people को you say, you keep on nurturing them. Now, how do you nurture people in the WhatsApp group? सबसे important है, लिख लेना. How do you nurture people in the WhatsApp group? 3 चीजें. Text message, video, and the most powerful one, voice notes. So that they feel you are part of the group. तो आपको क्या करना है, अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, जो ग्रुप है जिसमें आपके ई बुक वाली लीड्स है, उसको दोस्त बना के रखो अपना। उनसे नॉर्मली बातें करो। ग्रुप को एक इंसान सोचो, उसके साथ बात करो। यू नॉर्मली टेक आउट योर फोन, लेट्स से आई एम वॉकिंग ओवर हियर एंड आई एम टीचिंग यू गाइज। आई नॉर्मली टेक आउट माई फोन, just record a video and be like, hi guys, just teaching Godfather system to all of these guys. Very excited to teach you as well. I'll soon create a webinar. Post in the group. Raw, no editing. Voice note. Hi guys, just wake up this morning. So I saw this one ad and I think it would work for you guys as well. The script is XYZ. Voice note done. Just keep on nurturing with them with this. The more content they get from you, the more they feel, यार ये कितना ध्यान दे रहा है 19 वालों पे. How much effort he is putting on the 19 rupees people. And आपका कुछ भी नहीं जा रहा है. It's just voice note, text and videos that you keep on making randomly. 20 seconds works. You just keep on nurturing. डू नॉट थिंक कि मैं एक कैनवा टेम्पलेट्स बनाऊंगा, ग्रुप में डालूंगा, सुंदर लगेंगे. डोंट डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. It looks very professional and you can't connect with people. To connect with people, you need to put voice notes and videos very raw. कहीं चल रहे हैं सेल्फी डाल दिया, सेल्फी में वीडियो डाल दिया, कहीं चल रहा है ऐसा करके वीडियो डाल दिया आपने, कहीं वॉइस नोट डाल दिया, and just keep on sending stuff to them. Because then you will see that they are booking more calls, number one. Number two, they are showing up on calls. इसका call show up का problem by raise of hands. Call show up नहीं होता, मतलब बुक करते पर show up नहीं होता. If you have this problem, that means trust is the problem, nurturing is a problem. They are not nurtured before the call to be excited for the call. If I don't create the hype of Megamind, people would not show up. So my job is to create the hype. Though they have paid the money, but still people would not show up. So my job is to tell them, नहीं आओगे, ये नहीं मिलेगा. Then they come. Right? Because it is important. Because no, they don't know. I know it is important. That's why it's my job to give a lucrative offer so that they come into this. Clear? So now I keep on nurturing them. Once I nurture them, then I start putting one day reminders. I'm like, guys, I'm planning to do a webinar. Poll डाल दिया मैंने, उसमें बोला yes and no. Do you want me to take a webinar on XYZ topic? सब बोलेंगे yes, 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 because they are nurtured right now. You put reminders, you do a 90-minute webinar. How to make this webinar? i6 में पूरा मॉड्यूल है, टेम्पलेट है, सब कुछ है वेबिनार के ऊपर. You use that, slides भी मैंने बना रखी है, कॉपी पेस्ट करना होता है. You use that webinar, you sell from here what? The product? No, you sell the one-to-one call for rupees 299. So from the webinar, you sell the 299 call. Over here, if you are converting it in this process 10%, over here it would be 30%. Because now they are highly nurtured, exactly know why they are going on the call, and will show up on the call. So your webinar conversion rate would be also high because you're selling only 299. So anybody is like, हाँ दे दो. But they would show up as well because they have a real problem. And now you have nurtured in the 90-minute webinar very deeply. इसमें क्या पढ़ाऊं? ये क्वेश्चन है. किसका ये क्वेश्चन है? क्या पढ़ाऊं इसमें? By raise of hands. जो ई बुक में लिखा है. अरे सही में हंस क्यों रहे हो? क्योंकि वही सच है, तो वही पढ़ाना है. ई बुक में से 3-4 चीजें पकड़ लो, उसको 90 मिनट्स में एक्सप्लेन करना है. डन. एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू सेल द 299 कॉल. उसकी सेलिंग स्लाइड्स, टेम्पलेट सब दिया है मैंने. From there you sell the 299 call. From there you sell the high ticket. Now here's the magic. आप वेबिनार करोगे, let's say नहीं चला, लोग ही शो अप नहीं हुए, मतलब टॉपिक अच्छा नहीं है. If people don't show up, topic is not good. If people don't convert, pitch is not good. Content, pitch. अगर शो अप ही नहीं हुआ बंद, sorry, topic, content, pitch. Topic, content, pitch. If people don't show up, then topic is bad. If people don't retain, that means content is bad. If people don't buy, that means pitch is bad. So if you put reminders and people don't show up, your topic is bad. So you keep on iterating on topics. Same चीज को अलग घुमा के फिरा के बोलना है. Example, let's say मेरा AI funnel topic है, मैंने ebook दी funnels के ऊपर. Then I'm like, I'm planning to do a workshop on how to build funnels. लोग नहीं आए, तो अब मैं ऐसा नहीं कंटेंट पे काम करूंगा, टॉपिक ही नहीं चला अभी तो फर्स्ट आई वर्क ऑन टॉपिक. तो इसको हटा के हम काम करेंगे हाउ टू बिल्ड AI फनल. नहीं चला. हाउ टू बिल्ड अ फनल इन 5 मिनट्स. ओह चल गया, वेरी नाइस, टॉपिक सॉर्टेड. व्हाई वी आर टेस्टिंग इट ऑन द बैक एंड? सो दैट वी कैन टेक दिस थिंग एंड पुट इट ऑन द फ्रंट एंड. क्या समझ में आया? बैक एंड में टेस्ट करने में तुम्हें जेब से पैसा लग रहा है, तो हम यहां टेस्ट करेंगे, यहां नहीं. यहां टेस्ट करें 5 टॉपिक्स, ये चल गया, नाइस. इसी का वेबिनार फ्रंट एंड पे आएगा, कोई और टॉपिक नहीं, क्योंकि ये चल रहा है, हमें मालूम है दैट पीपल वांट दिस. सो वी लॉन्च दिस ऑन फ्रंट एंड, फनल इन 5 मिनट्स, और यही आपका फ्रंट एंड वेबिनार बन जाएगा. तो अब यहां से ट्रैफिक आ रहा है, वो इस पेज पे जा ही रहा है, वेबिनार पेज भी चालू हो गया. सो नाउ यू आर सेलिंग 2 थिंग्स, अ ई-बुक एंड अ वेबिनार. And धीरे धीरे transition out of ebook and into the webinar. समझ में आया? And then you transition out of the webinar into a workshop. It's a process, gradual. Jump नहीं. Jump करोगे गिरोगे. Transition. दोनों ऐड चल रहे हैं, एक को स्केल डाउन करते हो, एक को स्केल अप करते हो, ये गायब हो जाएगा कुछ टाइम बाद. फिर वर्कशॉप ले आओ, फिर इसको स्केल डाउन करते हो, उसको स्केल अप करते हो, ये गायब हो जाएगा. Now you are only left with one workshop. समझ में आया? एंड दैट इज द मेन थिंग दैट विल क्रिएट ह्यूज वेल्थ फॉर यू. सेकेंड, टॉपिक्स पता चल गया. अब कंटेंट. अभी कंटेंट में मैंने देखा कि मैं टॉपिक XYZ पढ़ा रहा हूं. रिटेन भी हो रही है ऑडियंस, कोई बात नहीं. ABC नहीं हो रही. PQR, ओह 90% एंड तक रुके हुए थे. 100 लोग आए, 90 एंड तक रुके हुए थे. नाइस, दिस कंटेंट वर्क्स. हाँ जी. So once I've done with the topic, I come to the second part. The second part is what? The content. So I test content XYZ. Did not work. No problem. I test ABC. Did not work. No problem. I test PQR. Oh, it works. Nice. Content sorted, topic sorted. Clear? Yeah, the content is what you teach. Before the pitch, what you teach is the content. The third part is the sales pitch. Sorry? No retention. Retention मतलब क्या होता है? Yeah, of people. Yeah, are they staying or are they leaving? If they are leaving, it's not a good content because they're not liking it. That's why they're leaving out. If they are staying, that means they are retaining. Retaining means they are liking the content. If they don't like the content, will they buy the product? Not at all. Clear? And now the third thing that comes is the sales pitch. So you try pitch, let's say in X format, did not work. You try in Y format, did not work. You try in Z format, oh lovely, now it works. What is format? It can be slide structure, it can be the way you present, it can be the branding of slides, it can be the positioning of the offer, it can be the bonuses and the product, it can be anything. You need to see what you change so that the pitch is working for you. I have given you a generalized template. That will give you a 10-15% conversion rate. But to optimize it further, you need to remove or add things. That is on you. उसके बाद भी मैंने I've given you a module webinar optimization का. Watch that. उसमें दिया है what to increase, what to remove. As per that, you change the webinar and it works smoother from there. Got it? Clear everyone? Now once you have these three things working, which is the topic, which is the content and the pitch. Once you have these three things working, three of them are working, then you take this into a here to here. And now ads would run directly from here to here. That's now when you started your webinar. Now let's say your webinar started working. Now your ebook is running, your webinar is running. Now what do? Next sales process. Why are we figuring out so many sales process? Is because you want to scale fast. Understand this. The game you are in is the lowest barrier to entry. The business you guys are in is the lowest barrier to entry. यानी कि अगर पीयूष का मुझे फनल पसंद आया तो मैं कल कॉपी मार सकता हूं और कोई मेरा कुछ नहीं उखाड़ सकता. समझ में आया? तो जब कोई चीज चलने लगती है तो एक भीड़ आती है जिनको बोलते हैं कॉपी मास्टर्स, और वो चोर लोग चालू करेंगे चुराना. And then your thing will go down because they are also using the same message. So AI funnel. कितने लोगों ने देखा AI funnel कॉपी होते हुए by raise of hands? देखा है ना? Because it starts working. तो पूरी चोरों की एक जनता है इस इंडस्ट्री में. वो सबको पता है यही चाह रहे हैं और वही चार करते हैं. उनको फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. This will impact your funnel. That's why we make multiple sales process. तुम जब तक एक कॉपी करोगे मेरी दूसरी रेडी हो चुकी है. So I would take a market share farther faster than you, then you would compete and copy me. समझ में आया? That's why speed is the game. If you take 4 months to launch one funnel, गए. Because तब तक तो कोई कॉपी मार के मार्केट सैचुरेट भी कर देगा और तुम बोलोगे मैं तो रह ही गया. It's a game of speed. मेरे एड्स देखिए कितनी जल्दी रिफ्रेश होते हैं, कितनी जल्दी नई आइडियाज होते हैं. पहले नॉर्मल एड्स, फिर खड़े होने वाले एड्स, फिर एक में उल्टा लटका हूं, फिर एक में हाई क्वालिटी एड्स, फिर एक में इमेज एड्स बहुत ज्यादा, एक में एड जिसमें आगे कुछ और लगा पीछे कुछ और है. स्पीड, फटाफट 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 फटाफट. बिकॉज एवरीवन नोज दैट आई एम स्केल ऑन 3 lakhs per day. दे कैन गो टू एड लाइब्रेरी एंड सी 900 एड चल रहे हैं. मतलब इसका फल काम करता है तो कॉपी मारते हैं, हम भी पैसा बनाएंगे. ये जो सिखा रहा वही सिखाएंगे, जो ऑफर दे रहा वही देंगे. एंड दे डू इट एंड यू कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. इट्स नॉट इलीगल. And at that time, the only thing that will make you win is speed. जब तक तुम कॉपी मारोगे, मैं अपना ऑफर ऑप्टिमाइज भी कर चुका हूं. तो तुम अभी भी ओल्ड वाले पे हो, और जब तक तुम इसको कॉपी मारोगे मैं नए वाले पे पहुंच चुका हूं. सो द स्पीड ऑफ इनोवेशन इज फास्टर देन द स्पीड ऑफ कॉपिंग. कितने लोगों को समझ में आया बाय रेज ऑफ हैंड्स? आपको भी सेम गेम खेलना पड़ेगा. पैसा बनेगा, सिंपल है, इजी नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई स्पीड इज रिक्वायर्ड ओवर देयर. पर ये आगे जाके, अभी तो छोटे लेवल पे हो, 10,000 पर डे के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं. Once you scale from there to let's say 30,000 a day, 40,000, then things would get complicated. पर वहीं पे मजा आता है. Because then every bet you play is like a 2x, 3x, 2x, 3x. समझ में आया? Yes. So topic, content pitch sorted, webinar on front end. Once this is on front end, I test new one. New one क्या है? 3-hour workshop to selling a 3-day. From a 3-day will I sell a call? From a 3-day will I sell a call? अरे हाँ ना? No. I will sell directly the product. So now I test this webinar. Now I test workshop के लिए topics. Workshop के लिए content. Pitch for the workshop. Workshop sorted. Now I sell the 3-day. Now 3-day topic. 3-day content. 3-day pitch. And if this is yay, you are done. If this works out for you, सो जाओ, हो गया, game over. Because this will keep on giving you these people at bulk. So you get like 80 high ticket customers एक दिन में. As you test webinar, same you test this. So you have WhatsApp group of webinars, you have WhatsApp group of ebooks, both running. Now instead of webinar, you put the workshop reminders, same group. But you don't put webinar reminders now, you put workshop reminders, old audience, and you test it. Here it will be free because audience has already paid 19 na. So here it is free. But the moment we get it on front end over here, now it will be paid. It's on a back end audience, right? So they have already paid 19. That's why we give them for free because they've paid money, so they'll show up. But if we gave them the ebook for free, then this would be paid. Make sense? So webinar is also free, workshop is also free. Everyone clear on this? Simple है? लग तो रहा नहीं तुम्हारे चेहरे से. Difficult है. But if you crack it, you are just 3 months away from wealth. Anyone comes to me, I want to make once a year. अमित जी आए थे उस दिन, 1 करोड़ बनाना है. बोला ये फनल है, 20 लाख पे ले जाओ, 3 दिन बाद 1 करोड़ पे हो जाएगा. Now his job is to crack till 20, which is hard. But once he crack that, it's like once a year. Make sense? So you are just one funnel away from your big wealth. Chali, now we'll take a break. We'll take a 15 minutes break till 5:30. What time? 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Close the doors. चलिए, अभी तक की लर्निंग के लिए who would like to share? कोई 1-2 बंदे who would like to share by raise of hands. अभी तक की लर्निंग के पूरे दिन की. हाँ जी सर. Quick 2 pointers.
So what we have learned is the Godfather system.
ठीक है.
सबका बाप है.
ठीक है.
तो उसमें 3 स्टेज होती हैं.
हाँ.
एक होता है
So Godfather system 1 point. Just give me pointers. हाँ. Next.
means don't go into
No,
detail.
don't go deep. Just give me the pointers.
Pointers.
What was your takeaway? Give that.
Yeah. So my takeaway is that we should focus only on the back end first
Yes.
and understand what is working for us.
Okay.
We have to decide the best topic, the best content, and the best pitch. So if you work out the best, then you move things into the front end, and then from the front end you go to the middle end.
Lovely. Very awesome.
From the middle end, whatever things are working, you move them back
To the front end. Very good. Round of applause. Very nice. Anji.
Hi, Himanshu. So what I learned since the morning, first thing I need to decide right now before I register my company whether I would like to work for a retirement, whether I'm building this company to exit this company after would like to sell, or whether I would take this company to launch the IPO.
Very good.
This is very profound. Second, what I learned, product is the key rather than the marketing or sales or anything. And third, most important, channel of distribution.
Very good.
It's very profound 3 things which I learned and I'm going to implement.
Awesome. Lovely. Round of applause. One more. Anji.
Rohit, एक ही चीज, ईगो मत लाओ और अपना दिमाग मत लगाओ.
Very good. Round of applause. काफी succinct. Yes, please.
Test. Keep testing till you succeed.
Yes, it's only the way. Lovely. Yes.
What I understood is every lead is important. Every lead will get you money. However it is, you should follow the Godfather system.
Lovely. Very good. Round of applause. One more something new. Haji.
Yeah, actually I learned like nurturing on WhatsApp. There are like 3 ways. So that is one. And need to spend on 19 rupees ads initially to increase the pixel. Then we can later go to 299 or something.
Correct. Very good. Hanji.
Yeah, one thing I learned from G2 is first thing is you have to copy the hook and the content part. And the most important thing I got from you is it's not the question of how, it's the question of who.
Correct.
That is going to save a lot of things.
Yes.
Thank you.
Save time, money, energy, everything. पीछे देना mic.
It's more about the umbrella that we
Yeah.
need to have so that we can have the leads and we can actually test and find out.
Very good. Hanji. आप बोलिए अब तक.
So I got clarity in the Godfather system today. I was confused last time completely. But exactly where the webinar comes in, how to nurture in the WhatsApp group, how to take them into the WhatsApp group because people don't come to the WhatsApp
Yeah.
So it was crystal clear. Only thing it's about practice now.
Lovely.
So I think
Very
it's
awesome.
beautiful.
Lovely. Very awesome. Hanji.
Umbrella तो मेरी ready है, but I am too slow. I have to do the things very fast और दिमाग नहीं लगाना है.
Correct. Exactly. Yes.
There should be a time when your business should not need sales and marketing and referrals system pe everything should be working by word of mouth.
Very good.
This is now probably.
Excellent. Very good.
I loved the 4 different funnels. It was just mind blowing for me because we were so narrowly focused earlier and looking at only one funnel and trying to make that good. And today I had a total mind shift. Actually mind blown by seeing that, oh my god, there's so many things that you can do with one. That was mind blowing.
Lovely. Very awesome.
So from your first call till before this session, I have been only hearing crores. But today you mentioned about the value of death. And the fact that it's important to give time and you can't do much on few things, I think that's a game changer for people who are successful.
Yeah, correct. Hanji. Please, कोई भी इसके mic हो.
Hi everyone. So I wanted to share one thing which I learned from G2's workshop was, you don't have to think too much about the content. Since being a writer, I also do a lot of book reviews. So I was stuck into that. I'll read it and then I'll, find the crux and then I'll do the review. But then he basically simplified the thing. So he just cracked the thing. And Naval Ravikant, as far as Naval Ravikant's concerned, Almanac is concerned, I read the whole book and I have so many takeaways from that book only. So that thing I'm going to implement ASAP. And second thing which I learned, the calls and the referrals. So basically I just started using your high ticket script and started, pitching the old clients and the referrals, taking context from the referrals. Yet to start the funnel, but it worked with me. So 2 things I worked on was scarcity and the urgency. So I just focused on my strengths, what I am good at, and then just modified the script and started pitching. And I could, day before yesterday, I could crack 2 deals worth one was just 2.5 lakh. That is writing memoir of a CEO of the company. And second is an architect who wants to build content for his website. And it just happened that I had put something in my status and he approached me. So this was something I would say, effortlessly, because I was in that zone. I was constantly, watching your videos.
So just with the script, you have done already 5 lakhs.
Yes. So I was just watching videos and implementing those. So I want to say that, whatever we are, the videos which have you been made, so they are actually very good. So until unless we don't implement it, even it doesn't matter. You have to implement in a bigger stage. It could be anything. It could be in the form of call. It could be in the form of meeting someone new and then pitching your services making different kind of offer. So, but you need to do it constantly until you become a pro in it.
Lovely.
So,
Super awesome. Anji.
Can I say now?
Yeah.
Okay, for me, what I've learned today is I've learned lot many things, but out of which 2 points which are very important. One is product is king, and the second one is price is the biggest leverage in business.
Correct.
So these are the 2 things, and I've also implemented this. Though you said not to start with webinar, I already completed 2 webinars. First webinar, I used entire content of mine, which failed badly. I had only 2 closures. Second webinar, I copied your entire slides. Okay, using my content in that, and I was able to crack 6.
Wow.
So,
Crazy. 3
yeah,
times.
so
Good.
That's how it is.
Very nice. Anji. Last one.
Yeah, so lot of companies, they say that they don't understand the Indian market.
Yeah.
And you just put it in 3 things, Indian common man, and that is like bang on target. And second one was like I was really conflicted with what is going wrong in my funnel, and you cracked it with like Pixel. I would just change that.
Yeah.
That was it.
Lovely. Awesome, guys.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, let me know in the comments what was the best part. If you have any questions, put in the comment box and subscribe to the channel. I saw a staggering stat, which is 75% of you are actually not subscribing but watching videos. Please do subscribe. That motivates the team a lot. Also, share this with a friend who's struggling with strategies and wants a proven system to work for himself. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.